How to buy international calling credits on TextNow. First of all, open the app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. From the home screen, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. Next, select Earn Credits from the menu option. Here you will see different ways to get credits. You can either purchase credits directly or earn free credits by completing offers, watching ads, or downloading apps. If you want to purchase credits, choose the credit package that suits your needs. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment using your preferred method such as debit card, credit card, or in-app purchase. Once the payment is processed, your credits will instantly be added to your TextNow account. You can now use these credits to make affordable international calls to countries not covered under TextNow's free calling list. Now you know how to buy international calling credits on TextNow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.